Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I will let you know that I have a couple of different style of nail lamps to review for you guys. So if any of you are in the market for nail lamps, stay tuned for the next few videos so you can compare and then judge for yourself and see what will work for you based on your needs. So the very first one that I have here, this one is called the Nature9 and it's by Nat Plus. Let me go ahead and open it. This is available on Amazon and you can see how nicely and well packaged it came. The lamp itself came in a bubble wrap. It came with a instruction manual. Just a simple manual there. Go ahead and take this out. And now just so to tell you about this lamp, this is a 48 watt lamp. So it's a very simple lamp, but very powerful. So yes, at 48 watts, if you guys or any of you are into needing to cure hard gels or anything like that, you will be set with this, but very simple. Now let me go ahead and show you the power cord. And I'm going to be right back and measure this power cord because I always like to know the length of these and see how well they work around my area. So I unraveled the cord and measured it. It is 5 feet long from one end to the other. So that does work well around my area for access to outlets, the wall outlets. Now I'll go ahead and before giving this a test on how it works with the sensors. So here are the buttons right here. You have a setting for 10 seconds. 30 seconds and 60 seconds for a full minute right there, and I see already, so I plugged it in and there's a red light on. I don't know if you can tell with my lighting, but that's indicating that there is power going to the lamp. And let me show you okay, so while it's plugged in, I will show you the tray underneath. It is removable. It just has the magnets down here. And this has a protective blue film, which is you can remove it. And depending on the surface, I will suggest you might not need or want to remove both sides. Maybe you will want to keep the side at the bottom that it's against your surface, because it's like, for example, my surface, I have a granite tabletop, and it is slippery. Okay, so if I remove the film, it will make it slippery. It helps with traction, so it keeps it from being slippery. Also, I noticed there are dents here, so this is like it's dented on this side and it comes out on that side. So these are probably going to act like feet. So again, you will probably want to have this side on the outside because you want it flushed against your desk so it doesn't move around, right? But yes, this is a blue film, kind of just like the stamping plates that will remove. And then the part that you put on the inside, you remove it so that it helps with the reflection of the light. That will help with the curing of your product as well as make it easy for cleaning. Now let's take a look inside. With this being 48 watts, it has 24 LEDs, so I think it looks like it has really good coverage right here and also on the sides for your thumbs. And here are the sensors right there. If I close the circuit, when you put your hand in, and they're very low, which is good. I do like that. Oh, well, before I put the bottom tray back on, notice it does have very good ventilation there as well. Right here in the center and around the side. One thing that I do like about lamps like these, they have full cover. There's no light that leaks out of the lamp, and that is good. I do like that because if you have product around, like any gels, you don't want any light leaking outside from the lamp. There are other lamps that I have that the trays, there's actually a seam under here. You probably know what I mean by certain lamps, and then you actually still have some light beaming out of the lamp, and I'm afraid to have it around any product. So as you can see here, let me go ahead and you saw it there coming on because the sensors detect my hand inside and it comes on, and I see when it's coming on, so I see the blue lights are blinking here on the 10, 30, and it's sequencing between 10, 30, and 60. That's probably telling me to select a timer. So let's go to 10. And that's set for 10 seconds. And if I hit it again, it will shut it off. Let's see if it comes on. Okay, so yes, now I see it coming on. I have it at 10 seconds and it's not moving. That blue light is not moving from what it is, staying on the 10 seconds because that's what I said. Okay, so there we go. And if I do it on 30, if I press it again, it goes off. And there it is. So yeah, that works really well. It doesn't have a half power setting for being a 48-watt lamp. So for those of you that might experience some heat spikes from this, what I suggest, when you experience heat spikes like I do, is it will depend on the type of the product that you're using and how much of it. Just remove your hand out, or and then put it back in. There's no need for you to stay in there suffering from the heat spike. But yes, that's one thing to pay attention to when using this lamp. And I find it does have somewhat of a small entry here for being a 48-watt lamp. So it seems pretty compact in there. That's another thing. I will go ahead and measure that as well. Okay, so I am measuring here. The entrance from side to side is exactly 5.5 inches. The height from the top edge to the tray is just over 2 inches. Okay. And also this lamp comes as a red. Let me show you what the red one looks like. Okay, so here is the very handsome, super cool red lamp. There it is, same one, but yes, it just has a red finish. It looks like this is a beautiful cherry metallic red. It looks like a motorcycle helmet. So yes, this red one is absolutely beautiful. I think this will look great in a shop if you're into, depending on, let's try the buttons on this one as well. Yeah, there's that blue light, so it does the same thing. And then it just goes off. This one, it is spoken for because this one is a gift for my daughter. But the white one is going to go on a giveaway, and I will have more details on that later. Okay, now the price range for this lamp is in the 20s, $26, $27, available on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below. The red one, as I said, it is spoken for. It is for my daughter. This white one is going to go in a giveaway, and you will have to stay tuned for more details on that in possibly a very near future. So that is it for this review, guys. If you have any questions about the lamp, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. If you enjoyed my review and my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.